Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to collect the items from Too Good To Go app. Now if you don't know how to collect the items from Too Good To Go app, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to collect the items from Too Good To Go app, you need to simply open the Too Good To Go app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the homepage of Too Good To Go, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. Now you need to go on the my purchase section of the Too Good To Go app. So if you have purchased anything from this, then you'll see the option of my purchase, which you'll usually find on the option of my profile. So go on it and you need to go to the pickup window of the store where you have ordered the fruit from, and after that you need to open the my purchase section and you need to swipe up to confirm the order. When you are with the staff, you may simply swipe up and you may confirm the order after paying the certain amount of price through the app. So that's, and some stores may ask for order number or name. So if you have any name or order number, then that's good for you and that's easy for you. Some store may also ask for you like this. So that's it. That's how you can go and collect the surprise bag from Too Good To Go. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.